And this one is Molly. Hey, what's up guys? Right now I'm in Medellin, Colombia. I'm in Campo Valdez and this is where I'm staying right now. And soon I'm gonna head out to Manrique, it's a barrio, to use my drone and get some video footage of the area because it has some beautiful colors, the buildings or the houses. And let me show you the room I'm sleeping in. So this is the room and there's my laptop right there, and then I got all my luggage, so it's pretty messy. And let me show you around the house in Medellin. So right here, let's take a look at the front. And this is the Colombian family I'm living with. No. Right here. The mother or the matriarch, she loves talking, but now you can see she's pretty shy. And this is Sarah. She's coming with me to help me with my drone. She doesn't speak English yet. She plans to speak English. And like, she just said she speaks English in Spanish, and but yeah, she doesn't really speak English. And this is Ashley. Say hola. Excellent. And these are some of the cats in the house. And this one is Molly. So this is Molly. And this one is Milu. There's another cat somewhere here in this house, a black one. Hey Sarah, say what's up. You see the gangster look she's going for? The West Coast LA gangster Hispanic look right here. So we're hiking in Manrique right now, within the city. It's a brutal hike. Maybe we hiked about 200 meters vertical. I'm not too sure, but it's very tiring. She's very angry that she came on this hike and we didn't take a taxi or an Uber, even though I'm carrying all the baggage and water. This is what a lazy teenager looks like. So we finally made it to the top, and luckily it isn't raining. It's a beautiful day with a few clouds, but it's pretty sunny here. Let's take a look at the view we have here. So that's at the bottom of the valley. We got my assistant here. And these are some of the colorful houses in Comuna 3 in Manrique. And that is the Medellin sign. And down there we have some people playing with the water fountain. The water usually goes up. It sprays up just like there. Now I'm going to get out my drone and start recording this place. So right now we're just taking a break from recording with the drone. It's about 27 degrees up here. It's pretty hot. We're about 1,800 meters above sea level, and I'm just eating some mango with some salt and pepper right now. So we're just killing some time until the sun goes down so I can get better footage of the sunset with my drone. So right now I'm just eating some ice cream. So that's a Oreo ice cream. And this place comes with a cat. And it comes with a pretty good view from the hood. And there's some construction going on. And here is the cat that is sleeping. It is still sleeping. I just woke it up, so it's probably annoyed right now. And here's inside the ice cream parlor. And there's only one person working right now. Hey, what's up guys? Right now the sun is going down. I can see it in the horizon just above the mountains. So I'm about to get out my drone and hopefully I can get a few good footage of the sunset. And let me show you the sun that's in front of me. You might have a hard time seeing it just because of the camera I'm recording with. I'm recording with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 for this vlog. And let me show you around of what I'm looking at right now. And you can see those nice, beautiful, colorful houses up in the mountains. So right now I'm doing a hyperlapse with the drone. So it's automatically taking photos to make a hyperlapse video. And I'm gonna just turn it around, the camera. So my camera or my drone is automatically flying somewhere, trying to record the sunset. And this is the DJI RC2 camera. And you might be able to hear that sound where it's taking interval photos. And hopefully this comes out good with the sunset out there. So we're done our recording with our drone today in Comuna 3 or Comuna 3 in Manrique. So hopefully this footage comes out. And now we're going to just walk around a little bit and then head back home. See you guys later.